You too! Welcome to the down zone, that's out of your family. Hey, you see the way we just parked up real quick? Wait, my keys, nigga. Sorry, I gotta get my keys.
We got a car meet right now.
This the season closer, nigga. First of all, you see the Camaro. Let me just check it out.
Wow.
Show them the new.
No, they already saw it. Yeah, that video's gonna be like a light video type shit. Well, yeah, we about to, dog. Even on the way here, you see all the burnouts, nigga. All the whoop-de-woos.
Here, so man. We have to, you know what? We don't have to record like everything, you get me?
No, we have to. This is the season closer, man. We get yo.
That's something cool happening, man. Like, if a nigga burns out, I'm gonna record it. That's what we call really, though.
Oh, God. Niggas pulling up type shit.
We get our old little car show right here.
What do you want, nigga?
It's not really specific. I just parked when there was.
Dude, was like, oh, hey.
Was it burning out? Niggas are burning out heavy.
Yo, this. Bro, look, that's crazy, bro. Deep in here, man. There's bodies, bro. Bro, this is actually like some GTA shit.
If I go there and I find.
Bet out of you will, bro.
Damn. Look at Mitchell.
Hey, Mitchell, you get me?
I'm outside of the fence.
Yeah, one's for me, one's for you. And see the command wow in the back. This is a nice ass like carving spot, to be honest.
Chocolate.
Alright, take a bite, nigga. Fat ass nigga. Big ass nigga. Is it good? I know it is, fuck nigga. Nigga, what if someone just. You get me? What if I'm like. No, it was ooh. This.
It would be like a bloodbath, right?
Keith, what? It's gonna be my turn. Yo, Keith, look at me.
You know when someone gets hurt, you just start laughing and shit?
No, Keith, that's fucked up. Oh. You feel me? I had to get the man. Whoa, that's not even mine. It's not my twin. Dude, this is tough. Dude, if you, well, at the end of it, I'm gonna ask you what car you could've. You feel me? If you could get.
If I could drive any of these cars?
No. At the end of it. You feel me? When we cut.
I would drive an automobile because.
Please on the whoop they will. You got the whoop they will upgrade. You got the whoop they.
So good.
Oh God, nigga. You got the GTA shit. What here?
If I hear everyone say, oh! What do they hear? I'm sure about it. You should get that.
The lights?
Yeah.
Cares these days, nigga. Seriously?
Bro, look at me. Let me look. This is a fire shot.
With all the smoke there? What?
What do you think of this so
far?
me, nigga? Look, this is already better than the other one.
Oh, way better than the last one, nigga. Yo, what's up? Yo, with the Q50, I know Mitchell's stressed right now. I know Mitchell's sad with the Q50, nigga. He wish he could be here. So sad.
Is this something like that?
That's GTA, nigga. This is GTA 2, nigga. God damn, nigga. Like, damn. My Dacia, nigga. This one. The truck, nigga. What? No.
Faded motherfuckers looking at everybody. Look at this car.
That nigga's like.
Oh, nigga, get them. Oh my.
Damn, man.
See, our motherfucking one, nigga. That's the.
Bro, that shit classy, man. Oh. Look at that. That shit. Nigga, I'm gonna have to get one. I have to get one.
Oh, that's.
Put on it, nigga. Who's winning that bitch? Nigga, is this a NASCAR in this hole? This is a bull on God, this is a car we always see. Naruto! Huh? She gone now. She'll walk about there. She walk with. Keep chill. That's a big busy.
That shit sexy.
Shit tough though. That shit low as fuck. Shit, you got the exotics in this hole. With a bullshit. What? Oh, the R34? Oh, pick the nigga with the eyes. And the butterfly doing. Doors go up. What goes down?
The parents nigga, the shorty bad nigga on the okay. I love audience.
That's hard. I'm on a spot there. Where?
there.
Is it like a? Hey, we looked at my nigga Jaga.
What if we end up on Jaguar dead?
Dude, what?
Like, everyone's just gonna, like, someone's gonna send it, like a Hellcat. You're like, that's a nice ass.
But we were just saying that. But we were just saying that exact shit on my life, nigga. What the hell? God damn, that's loud as fuck, nigga. Well, someone's gonna get, you feel me? Someone's gonna get hurt, bro.
We're just gonna be right here. All you're gonna see is all these people just start coming.
Bro, imagine you're like this.
Running.
Oh, that's not, bro. Imagine
We're
you're
the
like
last
this.
people.
Imagine you're like that, and everything turns black. Oh, we need to touch the drone, but I'm not gonna count. Oh, shit, nigga. Oh, hell no. Get move. Get. Jesus. God damn. That car's packed as hell, bro. They came out with the whole family. Oh, hell no, nigga. We were in the middle of that.
Bro, I disappeared, bro.
Hey! Look at the ground, nigga. It's black. It looks like Mitchell. Bro, it looks like straight Mitchell.
Why is the ground?
Now, burn out. Burn out.
Do a burnout.
Oh, it's a party. Oh, God. Oh, God, nigga. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell, nigga. Oh, no. You got that big dog. You got that big. Diego, I think he's taking your car. Diego.
At any moment, they can just spin out.
Oh, that's what I'm telling you, bro.
Take us out. Wow, this is risky.
Oh, no, take you out. You're in the lead. I'm over here, nigga. What's going on here? Is that you?
Yeah.
Nigga, look at the ground. Look at the ground. That's Mitchell windshield, bro. Bro, that's Mitchell car. Like, what is this so loud for no fucking reason, bro? I can't hear shit, bro. Nigga, it's loud for no reason, nigga. Nigga, nobody's trying to take the ETS here. Next stop, nigga. Back it up, down. That nigga tripping. I'm out, bro. That nigga fucking tripping, nigga. On my left. That nigga, I'll go, we would've died. We would've died. Oh, nigga. What? In the name of God? Excuse me? King? What? That's hard. Who am I looking at? You give me a hot cap pick, Kate?
Never mind, I'm going back to the Hellcat.
That nigga was spinning, bro.
Actually, we hit your car.
Nigga, again. Do you have cuts? No, you don't have cuts on right now.
I guess I'm just driving.
Mine's a bat. What? You just said that, kid. Nigga, what is Mater doing? What is Mater doing? Oh my God. Yeah, with a baby in the back. Is that a cat? Is that a cat?
Ryan, it smells like poop over here.
It's like straight doodle.
We're getting closer to your car, eh?
Really? Keith, that was not a good one. Oh, this is a wide body cat. Shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good.
Although this one had a tire on it.
The wide body shit is crazy, nigga. You got a wide body, nigga. Honestly, I'm
behind that car as well.
Look at me. Okay, I have to go.
Yo, I see that Camaro everywhere, bro.
Oh god, it looks like I think it's like the fourth Camaro I've seen. Right? Is that a Camaro?
Damn, this goddamn Mustang.
God damn, man. Do you guys like eating ass?
Why is the flash on?
Do you like eating ass?
Yeah, Ryan.
Do you like eating ass?
No.
It's good. It's nutritious. It's nutritious.
Do you like eating ass? Shit. What is this white? Is crazy. Like this one, no, this one, bro.
Dude, what is this little whip that we saw last time that the guys were at?
Bro, this white is fucking crazy. Damn. That's hard. That's hard as fuck. That's a rich nigga car.
Absolutely.
Oh, no, that nigga's a rich nigga. Bro, that shit smell like nasty bunda, nigga.
Oh my god.
I knew I'd do that. I don't know. Is that nigga good though? Was that nigga good? My nigga, you see? Nigga spun. Nigga spun.
I'm riding in the back right now.
Oh, you can see the spark thing. I got that shit on here.
I saw the sparks, bro. I didn't see it.
Start for life. Oh god.
That nigga about to go home on God.
He's okay, but
Is he good?
he's good, yeah.
That nigga about to go home. I would leave immediately.
That's tough.
Nah, it's a takeover. It's not even me, it's a takeover. Nah, this is dead dangerous. This is dangerous.
Is that what you just said?
Roadkill, nigga. My nigga. That was in a cart.
That was crazy.
That was a takeover, nigga.
Not gonna lie, y'all didn't see what happened, but some guy,
I think I got some of it touched him.
we were doing a wheelie or some shit. This guy was like,
It was a motorcycle.
oh, motorbike. He was like,
He didn't.
no, I know. He's like, people beside me were laughing and shit.
Oh God, niggas was laughing. I'm like, what is this nigga good?
Oh,
All the ways you seen today, if you pick one and drive, nigga. Pick one and drive. Skyline?
Skyline.
Okay.
it's way too much, man. So all I gotta say is, yo, the comments, man. What do y'all think is suitable for me?
Type shit. Ooh. Okay.
Because I don't know, there's just so many options.
I'm gonna give you the. I'm gonna give you a Q50. I'm gonna give you a Q50. I'm gonna give you a Q50.
Maybe.
Q50 is a tough ass car. Cause it's a tough
It
car.
is, I'm glad
There was
that's
like,
it. There's a lot there.
There's a couple.
That's true. That was a gunshot, guys. Gotta go.
oh, Nick!
But this one's done. We bouncing out. It was cool. It wasn't really coming. It was a takeover type shit. It was crazy, nigga.
Oh, that was actually fun, man.
One of the biggest coming I've been to this year. Definitely.
Oh, that was actually pretty big.
This is big as fuck, nigga. Bare bodies, bro.
I like this one out of all the parties, man.
Yeah. I don't know for it. Honestly, I'm gonna color quiz before I got it.
Before we.
So YouTube.
Soldier?
Soldier is on this hoe.